Hey everyone, welcome back to Mia Wealth Hub, your go-to place for simple, actionable money advice. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your first $1,000 from dividend stocks. If you want to build a stream of passive income with dividends, this video is for you. Dividend stocks are one of the best ways to earn passive income from the stock market. But how exactly do you make your first $1,000? And more importantly, how do you make that money work for you over time? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get started with dividend investing and how to make your first $1,000 in dividend income, whether you're just starting out or you've been investing for a while. What are dividend stocks? Let's start with the basics. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits, usually on a quarterly basis. Think of it as a thank you gift from the company for holding onto their stock. The payments you receive are called dividends. They are typically paid in cash, but some companies allow you to reinvest them automatically to buy more shares of their stock. For example, if you own 100 shares of a company that pays a $1 dividend per share each quarter, you'll receive $100 every 3 months, $400 a year. Over time, if you reinvest that $400 into more shares, you can start growing your income exponentially. It's a great way to build passive income. How to start earning your first $1,000 now? Let's talk about how to actually earn your first $1,000. First, you'll need to select reliable dividend-paying stocks. Look for companies with a solid track record of paying and increasing dividends over time. Some of the most popular dividend stocks include companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. But how do we actually hit that $1,000 mark? Well, let's break it down. Suppose you invest in a stock that pays a dividend yield of 4% per year. If you invest $25,000 into that stock, you'll earn $1,000 in annual dividend income. Of course, the amount you need to invest depends on the yield of the stock. Higher yield stocks will get you there faster, but they may come with higher risk. It's about finding the right balance for you. Dividend yield and reinvestment. Let's dive a little deeper into dividend yield, which is how we figure out how much income you can expect from a stock. Dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend by the stock's current price. For example, if a stock pays $2 in annual dividends and costs $50 per share, its dividend yield would be 4%. That means for every $100 you invest, you'll earn $4 in dividends each year. A great strategy to grow your dividend income is to reinvest your dividends through a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. With DRIP, instead of taking your dividend payouts in cash, you automatically buy more shares of the stock. This helps you accumulate more shares over time, which leads to more dividend payments in the future. Risks and considerations. While dividend stocks are a great way to generate passive income, they come with risks. Like all investments, the value of your stocks can go down, and companies can cut or even eliminate their dividend payments. That's why it's essential to diversify your portfolio and not rely on just one stock for your income. Additionally, some high-yield stocks might seem tempting, but they can carry higher risks. So, always do your research and look for stocks with a stable dividend history and a strong financial position. Don't just chase high yields. Investing in a diversified mix of stocks with stable, growing dividends is the key to consistent income. Building your dividend portfolio. To make $1,000 from dividends, you don't have to put all your money into just one stock. Instead, aim to create a diversified portfolio. This can include a mix of individual dividend-paying stocks, as well as dividend ETFs or mutual funds that give you exposure to multiple companies. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a dividend ETF that yields 3%. You'd earn $300 annually in dividends. Combine that with $15,000 in individual stocks with a 4% yield, and you're at $600 from stocks. Over time, you'll build a growing stream of income that will eventually add up to $1,000 or more. So, making your first $1,000 from dividend stocks is definitely possible, and it doesn't need to happen overnight. The key is to start investing early, be patient, and reinvest your dividends to grow your income over time. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a passive income stream that can last for years to come. Remember, dividends are about long-term growth, so don't rush the process. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how your wealth grows over time. If you have any questions, or if you're ready to dive deeper into dividend investing, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth building tips right here on Mia Wealth Hub.